All right, guys, welcome back. Happy Sunday, fun day. We are going to be looking into some cryptocurrency here for this week. So let's get into this. We're going to be selling all cryptocurrencies. Everything here on the watch list is going back down, all negative. Let's see here. So for Bitcoin, we are looking for Bitcoin to come back down to 25,000. But there's been a lot of consolidation at close to 25,900 in this price marker here. So pay close attention to what's going to happen for this week, and also the new case that's going against Ripple with the SEC involved. So we will see how that all plays out. Going to Ethereum, looking for Ethereum to come back down even further to 1,600, and then break 1,600 back down to 1,550. Selling Litecoin back down to 60 to 55. Selling Shiba back down to it's at 738. Looking for 70 and 65 back down here. Dogecoin, looking for Dogecoin to hit the 6. Break down 6 cents back down to 5.9 to 50. Back down to 5.5 here, back down at the low here. And then Ripple, we are looking to sell Ripple back down to 50 cents, and then break 50 cents back down to 45. Neo, selling Neo back down to break $7, back down to $6.50. Selling Dash back down to 22 and 23 and 22 first. See if it's gonna break back all the way back down to 20 here. It'll be a big move here. Selling Solana to break through the support even further back down to 16, and then 14 would be the next move. Zcash, looking for Zcash, go back down to 21. And then Tezos is already going down, so looking for it to come back to a wick of 63, 65 and 63 here. So other than that, that's what I expect for this week for all the cryptocurrencies to be in a negative and a downtrend here. Any questions, concerns, comments on the analysis, let me know in the chat group or net. Peace out, guys. Go Packers. All right, guys. Happy Sunday fun day. Go Packers. As you guys know, Packers been winning today. So we're talking about what we're doing for this whole week here for weekly swings. And so we are buying the US dollar index. The US dollar index has gone up. And the next move here, it would be 105. And then after 105 would be the break up to 106. For all the indices here, we are buying all the indices. We're buying US 30, looking for US 30 to go back up to 35,000, and then we'll see where it goes from there. 36,000 would be the next move, but 35,000 is all I'm looking at because of the last two previous candles. It's just been closing in on 34 and 35. Same thing for S&P 500. Looking for the S&P 500 to go back up to 4,400, and then we're at 4,000. I think we're at 4,000 right? Yeah. Looking for 4,500, and then the next move would be 4,600, and I think that's all I'd be looking at here. For NASDAQ, looking for NASDAQ to go back up to 15,500, and then the big move would be to break 16,000. So we buy all the indices. Selling gold, looking for gold to come back down and break 1,900, back down to 1880, and then the next move would be to come down to 1860. So looking for it to break 1,900, 1880, and then 1860. UJ is coming back down a little bit here, but I'm looking for it to go back up to break even higher, back to 148, 149, and then the big move would be to break at the peak of the high of 152. Euro, selling euro here, looking for euro break down even further. To break the support even further back down to 106. And then the next move will be break down to 106 to 105. And then we are, I believe, yeah, let's see. For, I believe it can go fine. No, we're selling. So we are selling euro British pound to go back down to 85. And then we will see if it breaks the support price here at 85. If not, then to rebuy it at this price or to go back to 86. A lot of consolidation here between 85 and 86. So the pound, looking for the pound to go back down to break 124. And then the next move would be 123. Buying U-Swiss, looking for U-Swiss to go back up to 90. And then the next move would be to go even higher, back up to 91. Buying UCAD, looking for UCAD to come back to 137. And then the big move would be to break 138. And then for Australia and the New Zealand dollar here, we are selling both these pairs. Selling the Australian dollar back down to 60, break 63 and then 62. And then selling New Zealand dollar to break 58 back down to 57. So I'm expecting a really strong downtrend for Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar. Other than that, any questions, concerns, or comments against the weekly swing signals and the weekly swing analysis here? Let me know in the chat group. I'm at Packers gonna win. Happy Sunday fun, guys. Cheers.